Let's see. Caught him on the foul?
Not a bad fish.
Oh yeah.
It's not a bad fish.
No sir, it's not. He gulped that bad boy too, didn't he?
Yeah, it's right at the top of mine.
Give me that. Now he want to show out. I know he flinched.
Shiver like, ugh. You see how I spread them out?
Mm-hmm.
He came through like, move!
I know. Give me that.
What's that, 1 out of 5?
Mm-hmm. This is mine.
El Double.
He hitting it. Gotcha. You steady long,
Steady round.
stowed it round. Come here, little one.
Make sure I see this one. I hope I'm recording down there. That's a nice fish. That's a nice another fish.
Show us the number fish. Oh, I'm not even down there.
I ain't recording. God dog.
Oh,
You were
nice fish. Yeah, I recorded it right when you took it out the water.
Oh, I'm falling right up there where they are right now. There goes something coming in. Come on, I dare you. Oh, shoot. You dare me if you want to. Oh,
You sure? I was about to say, I saw him when he came and got it.
I did too. Oh,
Man, don't even do it. Bruh. Somebody thinking, oh.
now that I'm out of them, I'm gonna drop all the way down to that mess down there.
Oh. Oh, come here.
Boy, that was a good recording too.
I'm recording.
No, I mean,
Oh. Click up. He did not waste no time. That's a big fish. Only because I saw it in his lip.
What
Monkey milk, 5 pound.
Birdie, birdie.
I ain't kissing you.
Okay.
He's like, oh, okay.
Should have kissed her.
No love for me? I ain't going in there. Oh, boy. That's gotta be a hybrid. Dude, look at that.
Like a mug.
Bruh, he hit that thing like I'm a big boy.
You didn't hit it. You hit him.
Oh, that's probably why.
Snuck up and hit him.
Get out the way!
Hit him in the back of the head, and you was like, "What?"
Gray.
Green and black.
Yeah. And what color is this crappie?
Shut.
He bleeding.
What the heck?
Oh, I caught his gill.
Oh, did you?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Well, that means he got to go home. Ain't no sense in dying.
Yeah, ain't no sense in killing you.
Your life not having purpose.
Yeah, it's gonna have purpose. He like, what did I do to deserve that? Can't resist it, man. I'm trying to tell you why. I don't know. It's a nice fish, man.
Nicer than I thought it was.
So I'm confused. Are you like bored or something?
I told you, man, it's getting too easy. I feel like Dave Chappelle.
It's almost like you're like, yeah, that's a look. Yeah, that's a nice fish.
He's nicer than I thought it was.
Oh, 20.
When we get to the house. So that's gonna do it for this episode of Crappie Fishing with Dryzdale. Thanks everybody who watched my videos. If you like what you see, click like. Feel free to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Dryzdale out.
See you next time. Boy, that's them big boy fillets right there, boy. Ooh, I'm finna make me a sandwich.